In this video I'm going to be changing these drop links. This is the new one. Make sure you have both sides of the car jacked up. Takes the pressure off the anti-roll bar. Just get a wire brush here. Just knock off all this old dirt and rust. Just going to take off this cable here. It's the ABS sensor cable. Just on clips here. Should come out handy enough. And just take off the one at the back here. Leave it down, just get out of the way of the wire brush. Looks a bit better now. These can be tricky to get out when they're old. You can see it spinning here. We'll get our 5mm Allen key and just insert it in. And because I'm using one hand with the camera, I'll let the Allen key lie against the anti-roll bar. And you'll be able to unscrew the bolt off then. If you don't have an impact gun, just do the same with the top nut. Get your new drop link, insert it in the top. You'll see it won't match up now at the bottom, but we'll sort that after. We got our bracket for the ABS sensor cable. Put our nut on. Now this new drop link has a 17mm nut, where the old one had a 15mm nut. If you get a bar and just push down the anti-roll bar a bit, be able to pop in your lower drop link. We'll pop our nut on, tighten it as much as you can by hand, tighten the top nut, and tighten the bottom one. With the new drop link you won't need the Allen key. As you can see, it's not spinning. When they're brand new like this, they're fairly tight. It takes a bit of time, but that's it, tight. All that's left to do is pop back on the ABS sensor cable, and that's you done. Thanks for watching the video. Next job is tie rod ends.